Welcome back to Technoguia's video. In this video I have this information will show you can you deactivate the antivirus in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Press in Windows is very quite simple and go. The first thing we are going to search is antivirus and protect here. We can see these options. Go to unset and the first option. In my case, I have deactivated antivirus. Okay, administrate the configuration, and we can see protection in real time. And in my case, I activate all options. If you have deactivated your antivirus, select here and deactivate this form, and you manage there. We are going to deactivate channel. Now it's very simple, then your device will protect from your. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content with us.